Hello viewers, welcome to Audio is 360. Today I have this Skullcandy Sesh is the model. So this is the earbuds. So the problem is battery backup. Only 2 minutes battery backup is there. So I'm going to replace the battery of these both sides of earbuds. So I'm going to show you one of the earbuds how to replace the battery, then the other one will be similar, so you can do it. So alright, without wasting any time, let me replace the battery of this model. So I'm going to take out this right one. So you can see there is already a crack here, so no problem, just we have to take out this part so that we can access the battery. So by giving some mild heat we can take this apart, then we can see the battery. So let me give some heat and come here. So alright, so now I have given mild heat over here, so I'm just going to try this. You can see because of that crack it is breaking, so this is because of the crack. So this one it will be fine, I think. So let's keep this piece safely so that we can fix it back later. So this is the battery here. So alright, let me take out the battery from this. So alright, I have just pulled out the battery here. You can see this is the battery. So instead of this battery I am going to install this battery. So even the capacity is bit higher, the space is there inside, so I'm going to install a bit higher capacity battery so that the battery backup will be better than the actual battery here. So this is first quality battery which I'm going to install, so the backup will be awesome and excellent. So alright, now what I'm going to do is like, I'm not going to take out the wires from inside. So simply I'm going to take apart this heat resistant tape and I'm going to install these two wires in these two terminals. For that I have to take out this heat resistant tape here so that we can access the terminal of this battery. So alright, so let me do that and come here. So I have removed the heat resistant tape of these both new batteries here, and this is the actual battery which was installed. So there is BMS here. So simply what I'm going to do is like, I have to take out these two terminals and I have to install this battery two terminals here. So that's it, it will be fixed. Then I have to insulate this properly and put it back here in the earbud, so the battery replacement will be done. So let me just desolder this and take out the battery here. So you can see I have taken out the battery. Now just I have to install the battery, that's it. So let me keep this bad battery separately and I am going to install this new battery to this BMS. So this is the BMS. So alright, let me do that and come back. So you can see I have installed the new battery perfectly. So just I have to insulate this using heat resistant tape. So let me do that here. I have insulated the battery here properly. Just I have to put it into the housing and just I have to paste and close the housing, this housing. So alright, let me do that. So alright, I have positioned the battery here. Just I am going to close this housing. Very simple. Lock is there. So that's it, you can see it has been positioned. So it has started working already. So I have to paste this. I am going to apply a mild glue here inside so that it will fit perfectly, and I will apply the broken piece here also. So since this was broken when it is arrived, so alright, let me do that, and I am going to replace the battery of the other side and come here immediately. So alright, both earbuds battery has been replaced. So just installing, you can see it is started charging. Sorry, yeah, you can see it has started charging. Just I want to cross check again. Yes, it has started charging. So alright, let me pair and check the Bluetooth pairing functionality, whether it is working properly. So to pair I have to take this out. So you can see it has already started blinking perfectly. So let's pair it using the smart device. So you can see Sesh Evo has come. Just I am clicking that so that it will ask for pairing. Yes, it is asking. Clicking pair button. So alright, it is connected now. Battery percentage is already 90%. So perfectly working. So that's it. The battery has been replaced. It is charging perfectly. So this is the Skullcandy Sesh Bluetooth earbuds. So battery replacement has been done. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. So if you have anything like this, if you want me to replace batteries of this Skullcandy, JBL, Jabra, Bose, any brand, Sony, like that, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. If number is not given here, it will be given in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.